In this video, I'll detail how to force restart Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to force restart it or clear cache or clear the RAM to make it run smoother, then you can easily force restart your Apple Watch. So here, I'll detail how you can easily force restart your Apple Watch. So if I download this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to do this, all you just need to do is come here, locate the digital crown, and then the start button. And then you want to press the two together at the same time until the Apple Watch screen goes off. So just keep pressing. Then don't let go either of the buttons. Only let go the buttons whenever you see the Apple logo comes up. So just keep pressing. Then once you see the Apple logo comes up, then let it go. Then that implies that the Apple Watch has been force restarted successfully. So it might take a couple of seconds for the Apple Watch to come up, but once the Apple Watch comes up, you have successfully restarted the Apple Watch. So that's how you can easily force restart Apple Watch. And when you force restart Apple Watch, all your recently opened tabs will still be active. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.